so you're at that first ever Airframes Alaska open house.
This is our main campus. We're having an open house event because the Great Alaska Aviation Gathering was moved to Palmer this year. It's just down the road. And so we decided to invite everybody here who's in the aviation community to come out. And while we did that, we decided to also have people come out and check out all of our Arctic oven tents, all of our wall tents, get free factory tours, games, some really good discounts on bush wheel tires. So that's why we're here today.
All the markets that we operate in are very competitive, and they're even more competitive for us because we're trying to do them from Alaska. So it's very important that every one of our products is the absolute best in its segment, in the niche it provides for.
The Alaskan bush wheel is a high quality product. Nobody can really match us in that field. People are trying to get Alaskan bush wheels all the time.
I think what's really important is that they're extreme tents for extreme conditions built in an extreme place. So, everything that we build, we build for here, and not just here, but if it could last here, then it can last everywhere. I hope people get to see all the really cool stuff we're building, and that we're really working on building up this facility and a lot of the stuff we build here inside that facility.
The factory tour is so that our customers can see the level of detail that we put into what we manufacture.
I think we want to show people that there's a huge thing happening here in Palmer. We've got an awesome company that's making products right here in their backyard and they might not know about it. We're making high quality aviation products, high quality Arctic outdoor gear, whether it's the tents or the sleds. It's extreme gear and people don't realize that it's being made in their backyard. And it's really cool. It's a cool thing happening here in Alaska.
We decided to focus here on tours and the things that take up a lot of space. And then at the Airman Show, we're showing all the R&D projects we're working on.
So we're at the Alaska State Fairgrounds today at the 2021 Great Alaska Aviation Gathering. It's just good to hear back from customers that we've talked to all through the year, whether it be like a technical service call or even just a sales call, and hear back from them how we've either been able to help them solve an issue they had with their existing equipment or partnered them up with a product that's really helped them to fulfill the mission they have for their aircraft even better.
Between all the locations and things you can do in Palmer today, I think we emptied out half of Anchorage. So I think it's been really good.